Okay, they better have some good revelation in that magnifying glass section. What's magnifying glass in 日本語？なんだっけな？大きく見える、ガラス、メガネ。そう謙虚。そう。虫眼鏡？そっか。そう謙虚は違うか？同じか？眼鏡。そう眼鏡と虫眼鏡同じもの？ルーペ？ルーペってドイツ語から取ってるじゃん、それ。Japanese people be using a German word again over English. In German, it's Lupe. ドイツ語だよ。ループって言ったらわかんの？初めて聞いた、日本語で。like Rucksack。リュックサックもドイツ語。意外なところでドイツ語出てくる。Isn't Lupe the thing Gemma princess use? Well, that's also magnifying. No, wait, Lupe can be, I think, all kinds of... Wait, I haven't really thought of the object lupe in a long time. Yeah, it's a magnifying glass. Okay. じゃあ、ルーペで。ルーペでいいだろう。レントゲンもドイツ語や。そう、you're right. Röntgen. Probably because, that comes from the name of the person who invented Röntgen X-ray. And so the Japanese people took it straight from that. いや、嬉しいな。ドイツ語出てくるのが。ほら、意外とドイツ語できるやん。みんな。We use the word in English to talk about small magnifying glass. Okay, but I think in German we use it for the big ones too. Yeah, Arubaito. Man, we should make a list of all the German probably there already exists a list online of all the German words used in Japanese. Maybe we'll get a lot of money in this run too, who knows?